To set up a SafePal wallet account, start by downloading the SafePal app from the official website or a trusted app store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Create a new wallet. You will be given a choice to create a wallet using a mnemonic phrase or a private key. For new users, it is recommended to create a wallet using a mnemonic phrase. A mnemonic phrase is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Click on Create a new wallet and you will be shown a list of 12 words. Write down these words in the correct order and store them in a safe place. It is crucial to keep your mnemonic phrase safe and secure, as anyone with access to it can control your wallet and its assets. After writing down the mnemonic phrase, you will be asked to confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. Once you have confirmed the mnemonic phrase, your wallet will be created and you will be taken to the wallet dashboard. On the dashboard, you can view your wallet address, balance, and transaction history. You can also use the dashboard to send and receive cryptocurrencies, as well as manage your wallet settings. To add a new cryptocurrency to your wallet, go to the wallet dashboard and click on Add Coin. Select the cryptocurrency you want to add and follow the prompts to complete the process. To send cryptocurrency, go to the wallet dashboard and click on Send. Enter the recipient's wallet address, the amount you want to send, and a transaction fee. To receive cryptocurrency, go to the wallet dashboard and click on Receive. You will be shown your wallet address, which you can share with the sender. It is essential to keep your SafePal wallet and mnemonic phrase safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access and potential financial losses. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps, you can easily set up a SafePal wallet account and start using it to manage your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always keep your wallet and mnemonic phrase safe and secure to ensure the security of your assets.